Today, I'm going to show you how to enable secondary verification in Binance. So first things first, here at their homepage, you're going to go here onto your account. And then from here, a drop-down window will pop up and you're going to go on for security. And then from here at the security, you're going to go here at the two-factor authentication. And you're going to see here the Authenticator app. And from here, you're going to click on Manage. And then once you're here, you're going to click on Enable Authenticator app. Click on it, and you will get a 6-digit verification in order to proceed. And then from here, at the Gmail, you're going to see here the code. Go ahead and copy it and paste on the box. And then from here, you will now have the code, or you can just scan the QR. When you download the Authenticator app, you can type in the code, or you can just scan the code in order to proceed. And after that, your Binance will have a two-way factor authentication. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you.